Demo function in motorcycle scanner. This video uses MS80 motorcycle scanner. Click on Demo. We chose BMW model for reference. The demo function helps us to use the device faster and more skillfully. It can be used without connecting to a real motorcycle. Directly enter the system to see the specific functions, restoration of the diagnostic situation and operation steps of connecting the real motorcycle maintenance. The demo function uses simulated data for the demo. Values may be biased and are for learning purposes only. When it comes to the actual repair, it is necessary to be contextualized. This is the demo function.